Good evening, Mamsi.
Ma'am, could you please share with us your most exciting discovery you have made during your research?
Uh, my Eureka moment was Amrit Mitti. Eureka moment, you exciting innovation, right? See, whatever you do, whether you are studying, whether you are writing, whether you are creating something, each one of us should get that Eureka moment in life, right? What is Eureka moment? What the Curie couple got when they discovered X-ray, isn't it? And then they shouted Eureka. So that was the ultimate joy of their creation. So my that exciting moment was Amrit Mitti, when I converted the stubble waste from the farmers into organic potable soil, which can grow beautiful vegetables in your gardeners, and even which is continuing to do on my rooftop since past 10 years. That was my Eureka moment. That was my exciting moment.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for answering that question.